Creating your link tree. This is hands-on. So if you brought your laptop or smartphone and you want to create your link tree live, you can do it. First things first, sign in to the Art Center's Wi-Fi before we get started. I will have pauses in the video so you can catch up with whatever you need to type. If you need me to pause longer, just shout out pause and I will stop the video. If anyone already has a link tree, raise your hand. You can be my assistant if anyone needs help. As we progress, please only add one link per section to save time. You can customize and add more at home. Go to the internet and search for LinkTree. Find the LinkTree site with the green tree logo. Tap on the LinkTree site. When the page comes up, go to the right-hand corner, tap the Sign Up for Free. The first screen is to join LinkTree. You can use your email and a password, or you could use your Google or Apple account. Sign in now. The next screen will say, Welcome to LinkTree. Name your LinkTree. It's your choice. Your name, your brand, whichever you would like it appear. Then tap Continue. For this, we will be using the free version. So tap the back arrow to get out of the page for purchasing a plan. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Free. On the next screen, which best describes your goal? For this group, I assume Creator. Click on it and tap Continue. Now, select a color theme. There's no commitment. You could always change it later. Now click on the platforms that you already use. Tap Continue. Start adding your link address on each of the platforms. Do only one for now, such as Facebook. Now go to Add a photo. It could be a photo of yourself, your logo, one of your books, or whatever you choose. Next, you're going to put in a 160 character bio. It's not 160 words, it's just characters, so that is very short. If you prepared one before the meeting, this is where you will add it. If you didn't prepare one, just put in a few words for now. You can update it at a later time. Under your Linktree name and bio, you can add some quick links by tapping on these plus signs. These will appear at the top of your display for quick access. If you look at the display on the right, it will show you what your Linktree looks like as you build it. To add additional links that weren't available in the pre-platforms, tap on the plus add. Then click on the symbol for link. Type in your link address. In this example, I typed my website. If it's a good link, if you didn't misspell it or add the wrong extension, .com, .org, etc., the site will appear here. If you want, you can customize the title by tapping on the little pencil. You can also change the image of each link. You should list the same links that appear in the quick access and the pre-platforms into your column of links. That way they will appear in both places. It will show you a few title suggestions, or you can type in what you want, as I said. And here you can change your image to personalize your link. Now you could see it's appearing on your Linktree column. To see a full size of your Linktree at any time, tap on the little googly eyes. At some point, I suggest downloading the app onto your phone for easy access and editing. If you need to change the order that your links appear, hover your mouse over the dots and move the link up or down. If you're on a phone app, you will use your fingertip to move the links. Okay, after you complete creating your link while you're at home and you want to use it to advertise your Linktree address and or your QR code, tap the Share tab in the right corner. Copy your link address or your QR code, or both. You can customize your QR code without upgrading by putting the photo image of your QR code into a photo editing software and adding your photo or your logo to the middle of the QR code. It is very important that you keep the logo or photo within that white square. If you change any of the QR code, it will not work. If you need help with this, I do have a small workshop that I have on the first and third Tuesday in Citrus Springs Library. I post information about it. We will be starting back up September 1st. That's all there is to it. Customize your LinkTree as you see fit. If you want to upgrade from the free version, that's up to you. I find the free version has enough information for what I need, but it can do so much more. What do I do with the QR code, you ask? Well, you can add it to your social posts so people can find all your information and not just your book. You can add it to flyers. You could add it to your business card, bookmarks, etc. If you want to sell directly on LinkTree, there is a free limited version to set up a store. I haven't tried it yet. I'm hoping to do so in the future. Currently, I set up my links to my Amazon author page and my website for people to purchase my books directly on Amazon. Now here's a very important part, and I can't emphasize enough. Don't be frightened of playing around with technology. Everything I do, I'm self-taught. You can do it too. Remember, if you mess up, it's usually something easily fixed. When you're working at home and you have a question, I will be projecting my email address on the last slide. I'll do my best to help as soon as I can. Here's what my link tree looks like. At the top, I have quick links, and below, each link is listed and customized. In a couple of days, I will email my notes so you can follow along at home with the PDF file I emailed you Tuesday. Here's my email address. For the next part of this, I will try to add as many individual author links or website to the group LinkTree. I can only sign on to one tablet or phone or computer at a time. So come line up at this table. But if you are able to do it yourself from home, go for it. Follow my second PDF instructions. Please email me when you have completed adding your link to the Citrus Writers group. And please, only one link, either your Amazon author page link or your website link. Thank you. If you have any questions again, feel free to email me, or if we have time after I complete adding to the Citrus Writers group link tree, I'll be more than happy to help.